Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a first impressions review on the Benefit Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation. The retail price for this is $29 and it comes in 1 fluid ounce. I got shade number 6, which is medium warm. So really quickly I'll go over the claims. The claims are that this is a soft blurring foundation. It's supposed to blur all your imperfections. This is supposed to be a really easy, light to medium buildable coverage with a natural matte finish. This also has SPF 15, which is really cool. So if you're interested to see how this applies and wears throughout the day, go ahead and keep watching. I'm so nervous about this color. The site, it looks like a good shade match to me. I was worried it's going to be too dark, but I guess we'll just wait and see. So the applicator looks like this, kind of nice. You just squeeze, and the consistency, I already poured a little bit, but it's very liquidy. So on this side of my face, I'm going to be applying with a brush, and then on this other side, I'm going to be using a beauty blender, and we'll see how it works. Oh, it's a little dark. I was nervous. I was going to go a couple shades lighter, and then very orange on my skin. I hope it doesn't oxidize and get darker. First and foremost, if it's a very thin, very sheer consistency. It's really easy to apply with this brush. This color is it's so not my color. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to stick through it. We'll see how it works out and I'll wear it throughout the day. Go a shade lighter, because this oxidizes. Does it kind of match my arm though? No? Dang it. On the other side, I'm going to be using the beauty blender. We'll see how it applies with the beauty blender. The beauty blender. This is becoming very splotchy. I did one layer with the sponge on this side, and the application just isn't quite as the same as this side. I think the brush works a lot better, so I'm gonna go in with the brush on this side because it looks very splotchy with the sponge. So I'm noticing on this other side that I initially started with the brush is having some inconsistency, so I'm going back in again. Yeah, this applies so much lighter and then it just oxidizes. This is about 2 layers, maybe even 2.5. The finish looks really pretty. It says it's a matte finish, but it hasn't quite dried down yet. It does have like that blurring effect, but I did have to go in with a couple layers to get rid of the splotchiness on both sides. You can kind of see right here, I'm having problems building up product. That does still look a little patchy. Going in with Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to go in with my MERCIER powder to set. If you don't like to set your foundation, you could probably get away with that with this one, but you might have some issues when you're blending out your bronzer. Going in with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. With everything set, it does look really nice. I'm still seeing inconsistencies right here and right here, but I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. I just finished with all of my makeup, and with everything on it, I feel like it looks pretty nice. It makes this color seem more blended in with my skin. What I went in with, my lip color is the ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Naughty, and I like these a lot. They are a little bit more drying than like your traditional liquid lip, but I actually reach for this all the time. I love the color. And then I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer as well as my butter bronzer. And this is such an amazing highlight. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the Precious Petals. I know a lot of people have talked about these. Well, they are awesome. I love it because it like gives you this like just a buildable glow. So it's really hard to go overboard with this. And it's just the prettiest color. And then with my eyes, I went in with my Morphe 15D palette, the Day Slayer palette. Really been gravitating toward this a lot lately. We'll be doing some video with this in the daylight, so I'll be right back to show you that. And then you'll just follow me out throughout the day and I'll keep you updated with how this wears. Okay, so here we are in natural light. It looks really pretty. It really does have like that blurring effect. Right now is 11:39. So dig in the darker color, you know, kind of tan me up for the summer a little bit. But yeah, I will keep you guys updated and let you know how it goes. Hi guys, I am back for another check-in. Right now it is 4:23 p.m. and I've been wearing this now for about 5 hours. Finish is nice, but what I am noticing is that it is just it really easily rubs off. I've hugged my son a couple times and it's just completely transferred. I almost feel like it turns into from a liquid to like a really fine powder formula. If you look super close, you can see that it's starting to settle into some fine lines. Like right here on my forehead. But from a distance, it does look pretty good still. So I guess we'll see what it looks like in another 5 hours. All right, so I'm back with the last check-in. It is 8:30 p.m. So the foundation has been on for almost 10 hours, I believe. It actually looks pretty good for being on for 10 hours. And over the last few hours, it has settled more into my fine lines, and you know, you see the transfer here, how it's really patchy. I like the finish of this foundation. I feel like it's really like filtered. I think it really does what it says it claims. It does that soft blur effect. Remember, the cons that I found were that it's kind of hard to build up. I have heard from some other people that they feel like that this is more of a tint than a foundation, and I kind of agree with that, especially when you're building it up. It oxidizes, so make sure you go a shade or two lighter than what you normally go with. I just need to go and exchange it to get a better color that more suits me. Thanks for watching this foundation review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.